Hi guys, welcome to my Python tutorial. In this video, we are going to explore looping statements in Python. Before that, let us see why do we need them. We need them when we are required to perform a particular operation multiple times. For instance, we want to print 10 numbers. We can write a print statement, whereas the same doesn't apply to print 1000 numbers. Here comes the importance of looping. Let us now see how to perform looping in Python using for, while, and there is no do while in Python, though you can achieve the purpose through while. Let's see how this could be done in our upcoming video. So here is the syntax for in Python. For iterating variable in range parenthesis start, stop, step, close the parenthesis, perform the statements within the block. So this doesn't evaluate any condition. It simply performs the operation for given number of times, starting from the start and ends by the value stop minus 1. The default value of start is 0 and step is 1. Let us write a simple program to print numbers starting from 1 to 1000. Now we say for I in range 1 to 1000, print I. In this case, we say for I in range 0, 1000, 2, print I. Because if I provide only two values, it will be considered as start and stop. So we provide start, stop and 2 as step count. Now it is time for while loop. While works based on the given constraint. While loop is executed till the condition in the while evaluates to false, which means that improper constraint would lead to an infinite loop. Here is the syntax for while. While iterating variable or the condition which is given inside the while loop, execute the statement within the while loop. While block is executed till the condition inside the while evaluates to false. Now let's see how to print 1000 numbers using while. We declare a variable I is equal to 1. While I is less than or equal to 1000, print I. I plus is equal to 1. Now let's execute a while loop for printing even numbers between 1 and 1000. Now we declare I is equal to 2. While I less than or equal to 1000, print I plus is equal to 2. So that's all about looping statements in Python. I hope you guys like this video. So stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.